Let's take a look at how to download custom keywords from Semrush. What I mean by that is a list of keywords that you've essentially come up with. So first of all, if you don't already have a Semrush account, I'll leave a link down below where you can get signed up for a free trial and use all these different features and see how this works. But once you're in your account, you go to the top bar up here, and I'm just going to do something that most people can follow along with. Do a search for keto diet, which is going to give us a keyword overview. It's really just all the data about this keyword and related keywords. Now I'm going to skip past a lot of this initial data, which is just kind of showing us like the volume for this keyword, the search intent, cost per click, and go down here into the keyword ideas. And then I'm going to open up this view all keyword opportunities. From here, we will see a whole list of keywords. Now we can filter these in different ways. Like maybe, we want to find keywords that are in the easy to rank for range here. So this is KD is keyword difficulty, and the easier, the lower the keyword difficulty, the easier it is to rank for that keyword. You can see some of these already have a green check next to it. Those are keywords we've added to a list. So maybe we want to write a blog about yogurt in the keyword in keto diet. Maybe there's like some different foods we can talk about, like yogurt, breadcrumbs, barbecue sauce, protein shake. All I'm doing is adding these to a list. So you can see we already have a keto diet list here with a whole bunch of keywords associated. We can add a new list by just clicking create empty list down here and add keywords to it. So we're basically creating like a custom list of keywords here that we might want to target. Once we've done that, then we can go to the keyword list itself. So I'm just going to click this little list icon here, go to the keto diet list that I've created, click this little arrow. That is going to come up with the keyword strategy builder here. And from there, we do have some options. Technically, we can send the keywords somewhere, but I am just going to download this list of keywords. Oh, sorry, this is to manually add it. I'm going to export into an Excel file here. That's going to basically allow me to download this custom list of keywords that we can then implement in our SEO strategy. We can also look at this from a table view and export that. That might be beneficial depending on whether we want things kind of grouped together into pages where we're targeting similar keywords on the same page, or if we just want a table with basically all the keywords, we can do that as well. Of course, we can filter these further down if we so choose, or we can go to another list from up here and download another list. You can delete different keywords from here, so you can kind of update things or refresh the metrics. So if you added these in a long time ago, which it looks like some of these were added back in 2023, we can update the metrics or just delete them. You can do things in bulk as well through just selecting the keywords. You can select the entire list and make adjustments. But that's basically it. That's how I would go through and do some keyword research, select keywords that I feel are relevant to target, add them to a list, and then export that custom list of keywords. So I hope you found this helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to get back to them there.
If you're like most new business owners, you're probably struggling to get your online presence established, let alone get it to the point where it's bringing you a consistent flow of customers, right? So that's why I created this free course where I actually walk you step by step through the whole process of setting up your online presence. This is the same process we've been using for our clients for over a decade at one of my agencies. And essentially, I'm going to show you how to set up an SEO-friendly business name right from the get-go, how to develop your website really quickly and easily, how to set up your Google Maps listing, start getting some Google reviews, everything you need in order to have a substantial online presence where people can actually start finding you and purchasing your products or services. The best part is I'm going to show you how to do it in under a couple of hours and all for less than 50 bucks. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below where you can get signed up today. Make sure to check this course out for free right now because I'm probably going to start charging for this at some point in the future. All right, I'll see you on the other side.